It's been an interesting period in the financial markets. Last week we saw dollar rand dropping under the 14 level before bouncing back significantly. Most of the moves are about what the market thinks global central banks are going to do. Last week we had the Christine Lagarde nominated to be the next ECB president. That's seen as a very dovish sign, which would likely continue with Draghi's very easy monetary policy. Also had further signs that the Fed was probably going to keep up with the easing policy given weak ISM, weak non-manufacturing ISM. However, at the end of the week, we had a very strong payrolls figure, 240,000 plus jobs created in the US in a month, and that's taken some of the impetus out. The market has priced out the probability that the Fed's going to cut 50 basis points at the end of this month, rather pricing 100% probability that they're only going to do 25 basis points. That's obviously helped the dollar quite significantly, and dollar rands hence bounced back to 14.20 this morning. If we look at the week ahead, what we can see is it's all about the Fed once again. There's the big semi-annual testimony by the Fed Chairman Powell. He's going to Congress on Wednesday and then again on Thursday. He's already, his prepared testimony has already been released to the media, but we're waiting to see the questions and answers, and particularly if the Fed chairman fights back against this market expectations of very sharp interest rate cuts this year. This week we also got US CPI, ECB minutes, and then we end the week with the Chinese trade data. Very little on the local front, just the mining and manufacturing figures.